Hey everyone, I hope you are all doing well. In this video, I show trending split screen effect you see on social media, such as Instagram Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts. Maybe you call layer split screen video. The first step is create a sample image for the video. So open Photoshop and create a new document with 1080 and 920 pixels. Go to view and create a grid layout. You can change the row number to specify whether you need a 3-layer video or 4-layer video. In the guide window, I will create a 4-layer and hit OK. Create a shape in the grid line using the rectangle tool. Then duplicate the shape for the each grid and change the color of the box. What was the purpose of changing every box color in Premiere Pro so that each box should be visible? Create a new sequence in Premiere Pro. Select any preset and then go to Setting. Reduce the frame size to 1080 and 920 is 9:16. Give any name and click OK. Now import the previous created image and video record for this sequence. Put the image in the main sequence and set the time mark to 30 or 60. I'll create a 30-second video. Once you click the program monitor and press the Ctrl R, a grid line appears. In full screen, the box edge line is aligned with the horizontal line grid. When the go to timeline, delete the image since we are creating perfect grid line here. You don't need this. Create another 920 into 1080 sequence at 16 into 19. You can name your video sequence whatever you like. You can now drop your first video into the sequence, make it fit in this frame, and right click to set the frame. Delete the audio because we changed it at the end or during uploading. Let's move on the main sequence at 1080 into 920. Put the video sequence in it and adjust the frame size. Go to FX control panel and change the position to top. When the video is out of the frame, it is cropped to remove the unwanted area. Once the video has been trimmed to 30 seconds, you should be able to see it playing this perfectly. Duplicate the video sequence and rename it.
Now that duplicated the sequence, drop into timeline.
On the inside, delete the video and drop another video. In this case, I will add a mark for 30 seconds and set the video duration, and the same procedure will be followed the frame size. Return the main sequence, cut unwanted selected area. Select the first sequence and copy the motion and crop effect, paste into second sequence. Change the position of the second sequence to the second column and fix the cropping. Repeat the process for all videos. Duplicate the sequence and fix the video and fill the column. While you now have a 4-layer video, you should now remove the sequence audio. Make sure the video is playing properly. I will add the font and alignment depending on your creative, just showing if you want add to test. Once the grid has been removed, the video is looking good. So check the shape margin and render it. You can take the selection in and out by export media or by pressing Ctrl M. When you change the name, go to video setting and change the encoding profile to high and level 4.2. Select bitrate setting 2 pass, target bitrate 4 and maximum bitrate 8. I already made a video with all rendering settings that you can find my previous video, and now save the preset. In this case, you will get 4 layers trending video and you will get a template for this if you simply change the video. Once you have imported the video, double click the video sequence and select the video that you want to change. Scale the video if you not fix it in the sequence. Repeat the process for all videos. Duplicate the sequence and fix the video and fill the column. Take a look at the main sequence and render. The preset already been saved and flat and rendering. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something from it.